Hey, what's good, everybody? JP here, checking in live, respectmyregion.com. Coming to you guys live from the MJBiz Content Breakfast, powered by Moody Day. We're here at MJBizCon Week at the Cosmo. I got a new homie here, Kyle Stutz, purchasing manager at Cultivate, Las Vegas. Dispensary, products, got a new dispensary coming soon.
Yes, sir. Yeah,
we're making moves, man.
We're making moves. Yeah, we got a lot of things coming online this year. Getting our own cultivation, vertical ops, production going on, and we have a second dispensary coming as well. About a month or two, it should be up and running.
Ooh, that's exciting. A lot of work goes into launching these dispensaries. How long have you been with this company? But more importantly, how long have you been in cannabis?
I've been with the company 2.5 years. I've been in cannabis for a little over 4 years now.
Nice.
Was fresh out here, moved from Minnesota, and just got right in the game.
Minnesota's active right now. Las Vegas has been active for a minute. I'll never forget the first time I came here, bought some Khalifa Kush off the hype. Yes, one of the first couple dispensaries here in the Strip. Talk to me about what it's like being in cannabis in Las Vegas. This is unlike any other place in the world. If you were to look around right now, nowhere else in the world looks like this.
No.
How different is it being in cannabis compared to other places?
I mean, I love it, man. Yeah, you get tons of events. You get people from all over the world that come out here, and they want to get a little educated on cannabis and see how our market works. A lot of exposure here, being a lot of tourism coming through. So you get, if you have a good brand, good product, you get a lot of exposure through that way too. So yeah, it's been a lot of fun, a lot of events.
The community side of it's got to be fun. This is the entertainment capital, right? So It's like the excitement, the creativity. I'm sure the experiences are crazy, but what is it like working in the retail space, or what is it like being a purchasing manager? What does that day look like for here? Is that different than anything else that you've been a part of?
Very different, yeah. I mean, a lot of networking, creating a lot of relationships. I also have a team I have to be responsible for at my shops as well. Very compliant, and the CCB is very, we have a highly regulated industry out here.
Mm-hmm.
And so yeah, I mean, a typical day, you look through make some orders, talk to people, make some meetings. And yeah, it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of hard work. We work hard, play hard.
What would you say are some of the most important things that really go into running a successful operation like that?
Understanding what products, obviously QC, quality products are the highest of sought after by anybody, really. So, but you have to find that right price point as well and know your market. And yeah, we're looking for, great partners that want to work with us and, support a lot of community initiatives. We do a lot for the community too, volunteer work. So it's a whole collaboration with us and our partners.
They always say, at least in Cali and Washington, we're both former bud tenders, Lorenz and I.
Okay.
To this day, the people that built relationships with us back then are the ones that are most likely still around in a lot of cases. Yeah. They really cared about building the community and having impactful, valuable relationships. Who can you show some love to now that's really gone out of their way to build with you, but not just you too, also your team and the dispensary? Who have you really noticed from a brand perspective put that extra effort in because they really care about succeeding in this market?
Absolutely. I think Virtue Las Vegas Cultivation, they're a big partner with ours. We love them. They're locally owned as well, so we like that a lot. We like to support, homegrown, supported businesses. Mm-hmm. Also, Wild Edibles.
Yes.
I think those are very, very popular all around the U.S., but they do a lot of community work, a lot of environmental work. So we get down with them a lot too. We do a lot with them.
That's sick. Big fan. I've tried Virtue and we love Wild. Big shout out to those groups out of the Pacific Northwest. Shout out to that. Shout out to the home area.
Absolutely.
Now for you, we're connoisseurs. We pull up to your shop. What are you recommending? What's the heat? What do you got right now? You're the guy.
I'm saying, yeah. I would say, either for top shelf flower, you're going to want to go either Nature's Chemistry or Virtue.
Okay.
You're always going to get pretty much consistency every single time you buy those products. You can't go wrong.
Is there a strain?
Virtue's Private Reserve. If you like the OG Indica, that's what I'm at. The Private Reserve. OG.
Yes, sir. That's me.
That's a hitter, man.
Love it.
I'm a big funk, gassy kind of smoker. I'm not a big citrus guy, so I'm always about the, some of those hitters that are a little more.
And what was the second group?
Nature's Chemistry.
What do they got?
So also, if you get their pineapple Fanta or their garlic cookies, depending if you like GMO, yeah, dude, they'll get you down every time. Garlic cookies is a hitter every single time. I can hear that.
Well, make sure you guys go check out these strains at Cultivate, Chinatown.
Yes, sir.
And when you're there, make sure you guys get a product, leave a Google review, support, because the guy Kyle Stutz showed us love today. We're here in Las Vegas, MJBiz Content Week, the MJBiz Content Breakfast. Shout out to Moody Day. Make sure you guys like, follow, subscribe. We'll see you next time.
Shout out Moody Day.
Let's go. Peace. That's a great. Hey.